Hello, and thank you for joining Men's Crafty Creations. Today is day one of me and my crafting journey with an actual real life YouTube studio with lighting and everything. I did post another video prior to this one just explaining that I had just ordered my lighting kit from Amazon. I was really excited. So it's all set up. And so far, I'm liking how everything is looking. I feel like I'm getting great quality so far, a good picture. So I'm really excited about that. So then now I have the audio hooked up. So hoping that everything looks and sounds good. So please let me know what you think. Please subscribe to my channel as well so that you can be notified when I do upload new videos. But also, let me know if you decide to purchase this lighting kit or if you have this lighting kit. I'm kind of still learning as I go, so hopefully I'll catch on pretty fast, which I usually catch on to pretty much anything pretty fast, so I'm not concerned about that. But if you're interested in purchasing this particular kit, I have posted the link below. So today we're going to be doing a do-it-yourself or DIY craft for the fall season. And I don't know if you know already, but I love autumn, fall. I love the weather. I love the colors. I love just everything is just so beautiful. And I just love the feeling that I feel just of togetherness, warmth, family, things like that. So if you also share my interest of crafting or also love the fall, winter, holiday season, let me know, post a comment, and like and subscribe my video if you have not already. But I'm really excited about this new craft that I created, and I want to share it with you. So let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to get started. I first want to explain the things that are in my background right now. These are crafts that I have previously made, and I just wanted to share them with you real quick. I really love wreaths. I made this burlap wreath with items that I purchased at the dollar store, and I just love the colors. I love the fabric. I just love it, love it, love it. So I wanted to share that with you. I also made this thankful picture frame. Basically, you purchase the frame at Dollar Tree and you can purchase a pack of the leaves. I basically just glued the leaves onto the frame inside, put it in the frame, well, glued it on the paper inside. And this was some paper some scrapbook paper that I thought would go well with the color of the frame. So glued those to the paper, put it inside the frame. I spray painted this word thankful. These letters from Dollar Tree actually came silver. I purchased them and then spray painted them gold. I have one that says harvest too. And so yeah, I think that is really nice. And then of course you already know about my Home Sweet Home cinnamon and vanilla candles that I've recently made. And this was stuff that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. Well, actually, I purchased the candles at the Dollar Tree and the twine at the Dollar Tree. The cinnamon sticks I actually had to get from a store called Woodman's because apparently Woodman's is the only place that sells cinnamon sticks, because I went to Target and a couple other places and I couldn't find them. But anyway, today the craft that we're going to make, which I'm really excited about, is this harvest string light lamp. I guess we'll just call it that. Basically, if you look close, it's filled with pine cones and acorns, and I wrapped it with this natural color raffia, and I wrapped some really pretty string lights around it. I'm going to explain how I made this today, so stay tuned. Guys, so I'm going to talk about the supplies that you're going to need to make this. The first thing you're going to need is one of these vases that you can get at the Dollar Tree, and you're also going to need a candlestick. You're also going to need, you're also going to need E6000 glue. This is the best crafting glue that you could use if you're trying to glue things that are typically hard to glue. So the first step would be to glue the vase to the candlestick like this. So that's step one. And actually I have to let you know, I don't know if you've noticed, but this particular vase is a little bit different from this one. If you look at the top, it doesn't have this curve. I don't know what to call it, but so this was a little bit different. I don't really like these, but this is all that they had, so I purchased this. But when you can actually go on their website and purchase specific things that you want now, and I'm really happy that they finally did that, because I was getting so tired of going to different Dollar Trees, and if you don't already know, certain Dollar Trees carry certain things, others don't, and some stores run out of stuff, other stores don't. So it can be very frustrating. But now you can just go to dollartree.com and search for whatever it is that you want, and they ship it to the store, and you can pick up your stuff from the store, which is really great, because there are a couple of, I'm just going to say, really ghetto Dollar Trees that always have the supplies that I need. And I don't know why. Maybe it's because they don't know about crafting. I don't know. But I do not want to have to do that all the time. So, and as far as do that, I'm talking about go to these Dollar Trees and, you know, have to deal with the riffraff and different things like that that you probably already know you have to deal with when you're going to stores where people are ignorant. But anyway, back to what I was saying. So now when you go to dollartree.com, I think you can purchase a minimum of 4. You used to have to purchase things in bulk. I think like at least 24 or something like that. But now I'm really happy you can just purchase things at a minimum of 4, and then they ship it to the store, and then you can just pick it up from the store, and that's where you know your stuff will be there. So, so the first thing you need to do, like I said, is glue these two together with the E6000 glue. Once that's glued together, you would actually have to fill it with the pine cones and acorns. Now, I got this particular batch from Michael's. It's called just fall autumn pine cones, but I love them because they come with all different kinds of pine cones, and then they come with these cute little acorns. They're adorable. So you're going to need those. You're also going to need a set of string lights. Here is a set of string lights that I have, and as you can see, they have a really pretty glow. You want to get quality string lights, because you don't want to get string lights that have a different type of light that may not be, you know, pleasing to the eye. So you know what you like. So, and I know what I like, and I like these, and I also like those. So that's that. And then here is the raffia. This actually is also at Dollar Tree. They come in packs of 3, and it comes in this natural color, red, and orange. So, and I actually have those here. So yeah, it'll come in, and I took these apart. That's why they look all crazy, because I was doing something else. But so this is what you'll need. So the first thing you should do after you glue your vase and your candlestick together, you should fill it up with the pine cones and acorns, so you'll know kind of what your string light lamp is going to look like. Okay, after you do that, you need to put your string lights, the case. This is the battery pack. They all come with a battery pack. You have to put the battery pack into the vase where it's going to sit and really not be seen. So you have to be strategic about this. So as you can see from mine, the front of mine, I have, you know, where you can see the pine cones and the acorns and everything like that. And then if you flip it to the back, that's where you can see the battery pack. So you just want to try to hide that or conceal that as much as possible. And let's go to the next step. Okay, so now we're on to the next step. You're hiding the battery pack. You're going to have the string lights. They usually come in a container where they're really pretty much on a long string, so you can just do what you want to do with them. Mine are kind of bunched up because I was doing something else with them, and now they're all tangled up looking crazy. But they should come in just a long stream, because what you're going to need is a long stream of these lights so that you can easily maneuver them around the base and glue them in certain spots and secure them with your glue gun. So I forgot to tell you, you're going to need a glue gun and you're going to need glue sticks. I'm going to make sure to edit this video and add all of the supplies in the beginning so that I don't forget anything. But so yes, once you have your long string of string lights, you would just wrap them around the vase in a circular motion, and you would glue them, secure them in certain spots. You can kind of decide, like with these, I would kind of put the glue underneath where one of the lights are, kind of, so that you won't see the glue. You don't want to bring too much attention to the spots that are glued. So and that is pretty much it. And as far as the lights go, now as far as the raffia, you want to get your raffia, and I'm gonna have to cut it. Okay, so you want to unravel this until it's a long string of raffia, and then sometimes it can be kind of a drag to get loose. I'm not sure whose job is to wrap these up, but they do their job very well. So because this usually takes me some time to get all straightened out the way that I need it to be. So yes, so now once you kind of have this to where you can actually do something with it, I love raffia. It's just so pretty and it's just so curly. Man, I just wish that I could find more crafts to do with raffia. I've Googled, I've searched YouTube, and there's really not a lot of crafts for raffia. So if you know of any, let me know, because it's just such a beautiful crafting item, you know. So anyway, I would grab maybe a handful, kind of maybe around this much, and you want to cut that, wrap it around your lamp, and then secure it with a little bit of glue, or you can tie it and make a bow, and then you'll have your finishing product, which is this beautiful harvest string lamp. And I just love this. So please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any. Please like, subscribe, comment, and also if you decide to make this particular lamp, I'd love to see what you come up with. So please share, and also stay tuned for more crafting videos. I really appreciate you joining me today, and have a good one. Talk soon.